Okay, day 2 of the Spark journey. Now, won't lie, we've already practiced flying it a few times in Amy's apartment, and first time was scary because I didn't know how to freaking land the thing. It was just hovering in the air and I didn't know how to get it down. So this isn't the first flight officially, but it's the first flight that you guys are gonna see. So first step, take the drone. We're gonna power it on. Okay, next step, we're gonna power on the remote. Okay, third step, we're gonna use your phone. Before you go to the app, go to your Wi-Fi and we're gonna connect to the remote control because we want to connect to the remote control so we can use the remote control to connect to the drone. If you connect to the drone, the remote control is just a fancy phone mount. If I'm talking really fast, it's because I'm excited. Okay, we're connected to the remote control. So far, so good. Third step, let's launch the DJI Go 4 app. We're gonna hit Go Fly. Okay, we can already see what the drone can see. Might as well just put it in the remote control. We're gonna do takeoff. Ready?
Yeah, let's go. There you go.
I'm getting dyslexic. I don't know how to turn it. Hold on.
Oh, don't crash it. Wow.
Woo.
Success.
Low battery warning. Good job, buddy. Alright, so to turn it off, same as turning it on, press the battery button once, press it again and hold, and it's off. Same thing with this. Press once, press double, hold, and everybody's safe. So honestly, that was like my, fourth time flying it, so I got a little bit more confident. Again, the first time I flew it, like I was like, how do I get it down? Hey Google, turn on kitchen lights. Alright, first time you're gonna see the DJI Spark. Are you nervous? Do you think I'm gonna crash?
No.
Ready? Let's get to it.
Very nice. Whew. I like it.
You like it? You like it? You like it? She likes it. Before I was trying to land, I was trying to adjust the camera angle, but it's really finicky. I have to figure that out still, but I'm getting the maneuvering part better. Just getting the camera gimbal to controlling the camera gimbal while flying is obviously going to take some more practice, but yeah, I just wanted to see what Lisa's first reaction would be.
Oh,
Was you
thank
scared?
you. No, I'm not scared. I'm so happy.
You're happy?
Yeah.
You're happy I didn't crash into your apartment?
No, that's okay. Look very nice.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna make some fun videos together.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, maybe next video, maybe future video, Lisa gonna be cooking some food and the drone's gonna be watching.
Ah, good idea.
Bird's eye view. We can come up with any kind of crazy idea. Let us know if you have any ideas for video,
I like it.
and we'll try to attempt it because we're learning as quick as we're learning as we do it. So that's what makes it fun. So thank you again, Emmy,
And we're out.
Okay, so it happened. I crashed the drone. It's day 2. I was flying it in the hallway in Emmy's apartment, and I don't know what happened, but for some reason, like, it's almost like the accelerator pedal got stuck. And as you can see in the video, the drone just took off. and it crashed into the stairway and fell about 8 feet. So luckily, the drone's okay, but I learned my lesson. Could have been a very expensive, sad lesson. But anyways, I learned my lesson, and I put these on. Propeller guards. See that? So the propellers, if I were to run into anything, the propeller guards would protect.
Oh my gosh.
Against any surface, rather than the blades. Oh, by the way, this is before propeller guards. Come look. I don't know if you can see this, but you see that? That's what happens when you don't use propeller guards. See that?
Oh no.
Yeah. So don't tell Emmy's apartment. You know, we'll buff that out. But anyways, so my lesson / message for this video is if you're new to drone flying, you got a brand new Spark or Mavic or whatnot, maybe you should put these training wheels on first. I believe some people have already mentioned that to me online. So I definitely learned my lesson. The Spark is still running fine and strong, and I am addicted to this thing.
Yes,